Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set custom charging sound on any iPhone. So guys, if you want to set custom charging sound on any iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, open shortcuts and then go to automation from here, then tap on new automation, and from here scroll it below and select charging from here or charger from here. So guys, simply select it, and after this check this to is connected and then tap on run immediately, and then turn on the toggle for notify when run. Simply turn it on, and after this tap on next button, and from here you have to select any music which you want to add or any sound which you want to add for custom charging sound. Here I am going to music, and from here go to music from here, and if there is no music on your device then go back and then tap on done button. Again go back and tap on arrow, and then go to music from here, and from here scroll it below, and you have to simply go to music from here. Here it is, and then select the music, and then you have to simply add it as your charging sound on your iPhone. So I simply do this, and after this you can enjoy other sounds on your charging connection. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.